I'm at my usual spot for the pollywog. So this is where we kind of look at how big they are. I like using that little cable that goes out there as a judge. They're not moving around very much. The sun's not out. It's fairly cold. I think they're getting a little energy from the sun, but for the most part, they're all just hanging loose. There's our pollywog tadpole view for the water in the creek. Yay! And the man root. And those guys up there. This one popped open the inside, looks like a loofah. No, you know better than that. You're not supposed to jump on. No, don't jump on me. Sit down. Hi, everybody. It's a video log 61. Don't you jump on me. And it's cold out here, and I'm going to call this a short video today. I have 6 weeks in about 5 days. And with that, I'm going to be so happy. I can do a lot with my arm. I have to help it out with this arm a lot. My muscle, as far as trying to do it on my own, that hurts too much to do it, but I can give it assist, and my range of motion is doing really well. Now, mind you, I still have some time to go. 6 weeks is going to be up in a few more days, and then I'm going to put my other glove on, and I'm going to start doing my trekking and see if I can get more energy going. But right now I'm cold. I'm going to end the video today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.